Hello, everyone. If you are here for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you of that particular video and you quickly go and watch. Thank you. Today, we're going to continue with our class on how to compute student results using Microsoft Excel. And this one is the part 9. Thank you. So, in my last video, I said we are going to change the values, the scores, as you can see here. Change the scores of each subject. After changing the scores, your position will be or may be affected. Then you try and fix the position. In my previous video, I taught on how to fix the position. So this is what I mean. Click on the position, the first person position, and then you check the formula. Is this, you check this first one, this first part, where you're saying CI5. Does it relate to this one? If it doesn't relate, or maybe this CI5, make sure you have CI here, $ CI, $5 before you continue, and then column $CI, $14. That shows that you have updated it to this particular, using this particular total. In the subject religious studies, CI5 is the first person's total. So please remember to do that. So I'm going to continue with the class, and let me fix up things by fitting the names of the students in each of the column by double clicking at the top there. I believe in my previous video I taught on how to do this particular fitting that I'm doing. Just double click between the name and the first text, just double click to fit the right up. So, and then secondly, next thing, we are going to, okay, check this Awal Aruna. So this Awal Aruna, I don't need to delete Awal Aruna from here. Since English subject is the CA sheet that I use for the names of the student, and any other subject took that name. So let me quickly fix these ones. Quantitative reasoning, I will type equals to B5, press enter, copy the formula. Agriculture equals to B5, press enter, copy. You will see I'm updating. You see a miracle now. Equals to B5, press enter, select the cell, drag through, move to this, the next one, equals to B5, press enter, select the first one, go there, copy for the rest of the cells here, equals to B5, press enter. So select and copy for the rest here, equals to B5, press enter, select the first cell, copy, then the last one equals to B5, press enter, select, and then you copy. So now see the miracle here. I don't need to like delete this name here from maths subject. If there's any changes in the names of my students in the class, all I need to do is for me to just change the ones in the English CA sheet. It will affect all the names in any other subject. So like Sani Haruna, if I select the cell, I press on my delete key, you will see the mathematics CA sheet where Sani is supposed to be. It will show a return of valid, oh sorry, invalid. That is 0. You see 0. That means there is no value in B15. So now look at something. Let's say this name, Loki Ezra, has 3 names, and I've already done my CA sheet. What you need to do, or all you need to do, is just to change it from the English CA sheet, and it will affect the other ones. Now, this is what I mean. You select or you double click the Loki Ezra, and maybe this top name is Peter. Then you press enter. As you press enter, you will see Loki Ezra Peter here. See Loki Ezra Peter here in Baba. Loki Ezra Peter in quantitative. Loki Ezra Peter in agricultural science. All through. It will affect them all through the subject, the CA sheet. You will see Loki Ezra, Loki Ezra, Loki Ezra, Loki Ezra, Peter, Loki Ezra, Peter. That means if a name of a student is not spelled well, You don't need to follow all the CA sheets and be effecting it or be editing it. All you need to do is you go to the English subject, you just edit it from there, and because you use the other CA sheets, you refer to the English names. So any effects, anything you change in the English subject will have effect on the other subject. So please and please, if you find this video very interesting and you would like to share this video to your friends, please like this video and make it viral on YouTube so that people who are in search of this knowledge will see it and then watch it and then practice it and then make things easy for their lives. In my next video, we are going to create the cumulative sheet. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.